Well, welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert Google Sheets into Google Docs. This is incredibly useful when you need to display data from your spreadsheet directly in a document, whether it's for a report, proposal, or presentation. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets file. Once you have it open, take a moment to identify the exact data you want to insert into your Google Docs. This could be a single cell, a range of cells, or even an entire table. Once you've located the data, click and drag your cursor to highlight everything you want to include. Make sure you've selected all the relevant information before moving forward, as this will be what gets transferred to your document. With your data highlighted, it's time to copy it. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. This action copies the selected data to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted elsewhere. You won't see any visible change on your screen, but the data is now stored and ready to transfer. Now switch over to your Google Docs file where you want the data to appear. Click at the exact spot in your document where you'd like the spreadsheet data to be inserted. This is important because the data will paste wherever your cursor is positioned. Once you've placed your cursor, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the copied data. Here's where it gets interesting. As soon as you paste, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. This box gives you two options for how you want the data to appear in your document. The first option is Link to Spreadsheet. If you choose this, the data in your Google Doc will remain connected to the original Google Sheets file. This means that any updates you make in the spreadsheet can be reflected in the document. The second option is Paste Unlinked. Selecting this will insert the data as a static table that won't update if you change the original spreadsheet. Take a moment to decide which option suits your needs. If you need the data to stay current and synced with your spreadsheet, go with Link to Spreadsheet. If you just need a snapshot of the data that won't change, choose Paste Unlinked. Once you've made your selection, click the Paste button to finalize the insertion. And that's it. You've successfully inserted your Google Sheets data into your Google Docs document, making your workflow more efficient and keeping all your information in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.